To maximize recording time on your VicoHome camera, understanding the available settings is crucial. The recording duration can be adjusted within the VicoHome app, and there are important differences between camera types. Navigate to the motion detection settings in your VicoHome app. This is where you'll find the recording duration options that control how long your camera records when motion is detected. Recording durations typically range from 10 seconds to 3 minutes. However, longer durations often require a VicoHome Awareness subscription to unlock extended recording capabilities. There's an important distinction between camera types. Plug-in cameras with a micro SD card can record continuously since they have constant power. Battery-powered cameras primarily record only when motion is detected to conserve battery life. Keep your VicoHome app and camera firmware updated to access the latest features and resolve synchronization issues. Also, verify your camera's time zone settings to ensure accurate timestamps on your recordings. Understanding these recording settings gives you control over how your VicoHome camera captures and stores footage, helping you optimize performance based on your specific needs and subscription level. Motion detection sensitivity is the key to balancing performance and battery life. The 3 sensitivity levels each serve different purposes and environments. Access these settings through the VicoHome app. Navigate to your camera settings, then motion detection to adjust sensitivity, duration, and resolution. Newer VicoHome systems use artificial intelligence for smarter motion detection. AI can distinguish between people, vehicles, pets, and packages, reducing false alarms from moving trees or shadows. If motion detection isn't working properly, check these essential settings. Ensure motion detection is enabled in the app, notifications are turned on both in the app and your phone settings, and verify a stable Wi-Fi connection. To maximize battery life, enable cool down time between recordings, reduce recording resolution, and schedule sleep periods during inactive hours. These adjustments can significantly extend your camera's operational time. Remember to check your phone's notification settings to ensure you receive motion alerts. Proper configuration of both app and system notifications is essential for effective monitoring.